Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, children, today we'll discuss about how to insert a word art in a document. Word art are text objects with ready-made effects. Word art allow us to insert attractive text in our document. To insert word art in your document, what do you mean by word art? Word art means if you want to write, if you want to give the introduction, if you want to write your name in different effects, different in an attractive manner, different style, so you have to use a word art there. And word art is having a ready-made effects. Only you have to select the word art layout there, and then what you had typed, that will be changed as you had selected. So how to insert? First of all, click word art in the insert tab and select the word art style from the word art gallery. The text box appear on the document. Type the text in the document and click outside the text box. Clicking the word Word Art box activates the Drawing Tools Format tab on a ribbon. Use this toolbar, apply more effects to the word art. You can change the style, color, outline of the text. To apply word art on given text, select the text and then select the word art commands. So, what you want to display in your document page in different style and different effects, so you can select go first of all you have to go to insert tab. There you have to click on the word art, and then word art style is there. So you have word art style is there from the word art gallery. There one text box will appear, and what you want to display on your document, that you have to write on that text box, and according to that what you had selected in word art effects means design, that will be printed, that will be displayed as it is in your document page. Okay, now inserting a text box. If you want to insert a text box in your document page, how to insert? Text written inside text box allow you to move the text around the pages as one object. This feature is very useful when designing pages with images, etc. To insert a text box, how to insert it? First of all, click on the text box. It is there in the insert tab, and click simple text box from the gallery, and then click inside the text box and type. Means text box means if you want to type something, so you have to select first text box. Under that you have to write what you want to display on your document, and then afterwards you click outside from the text box. It will be displayed in the document page. Then inserting image in your document. How to insert image in your document? Means sometimes you are writing some story or some notes. If you are writing, means if you want to paste the images of that particular content you had typed in a document page, so how to insert an image in a document? It is given here how to insert. You can easily insert pictures in your document, whether they are on your computer or on the website. Insert in picture from a file. So how to insert? Place your insertion point where you want the image to appear. Means first of all, where you want to paste the image, there you have to give the insertion point. Means the cursor, if you want cursor, you have to click there with the help of mouse pointer, and then insert tab, illustrations group, click the picture command. Means here go to the insert tab and illustrations group, there you have to click the picture command, and then in the insert picture dialog box, locate the picture file and click insert. The image is inserted in your document. Okay, means see here the picture is given here, image is inserted here. How to insert? First of all, you have to go through where your image is stored, and then from there you have to insert. And then if you want to change the size of your images, means if you want to make a bigger size or smaller size, just you have to do resize, dragging, or if you want to rotate also, that option is there in the image. Only you have to take the mouse pointer and do whatever you want to do, means increasing the image size or decreasing the image size. If you wish to insert an image on the web, you need to first save the image in your computer and then insert it from the save location. Means for if you are not having that image, so first of all you have to go through internet connection and then download the images, and then you can browse your images and insert in your pages. So to insert images from the clip art gallery. Clip art gallery you are knowing. If you want to means insert any small type of art, there you have to select the clip art. There you have to search, and then according to your search given, all that type of images will display, because all the images are in ready-made format in your that windows. Okay, then click clip art in the insert tab. The clip art navigation panel, type search the word to locate the image and click go. Click the image from the gallery to insert it into the document. Okay, which suppose if you want to insert a image of computer, so you have to select first. So you have to click first, search the word as computer, and then click the go button. After that the computer image will be displayed, and from there you can insert in your document about this clip art. Now, formatting an image. How to format an image? An inserted image can be formatted by using the tools in the format tab. To do this, click the picture to select tables. To format tab will appear. You will use the various tools format tab in the format image. So if you want to change the if you want to format some images, so you can go to the tools of format tab, and if you want to change, you can change from there. Then if you want to adjust the brightness or color, you can go to adjust group tools, and then you can do the formatting from there. Now picture style, if you want to display, from there picture style group tools are there you have to give the image border effects and changes its layout. These are the different format images. Arrange group tools can use to position the image on the page, align or rotate the image. If you want to change the alignment, yesterday we had discussed 4 types of alignments are there: left alignment, right alignment, center, and justify. Where you want to insert that image, there you have to select and then move your images from there. Then size group tools can be used to compress or resize the image. Means if you want to increase the size of your image or decrease the size of your image, you can do. Okay. Then come to the text wrapping. Text wrapping means when you insert an image, you may notice that it's difficult to move it exactly where you want. This is because by default the image is in line with the text. You will need to change the text wrapping setting if you want to move the image freely, or if you want the text to wrap around the image in a more natural way. So in between the document typing, if you want to insert an image, so that same line the image will be inserted. And if you don't want to insert in the same line, so you have to use a text wrapping there. How to use? Select the image you want to wrap text around. Means that text you had typed, in that under that if you want to insert the image, you have to do first. Then the format tab will appear on the ribbon. On the format tab, click the wrap text command. In the arrange group, a drop down menu will appear there. Then however the mouse over the various text wrapping option, you will get a preview of how the image will look on the document. When you have found the text wrapping option, you want to use it, just click it. Okay, see the picture it is given here with the text wrapping. If you want to see, then you have to click on just that the image and document will be appear there. Then how to insert shapes. Different shapes are there. See the image it is given here. How to insert? Microsoft Word comes with a set of ready-made shapes you can use in a document. These shapes can be flipped, rotated, resized, and filled with colors to insert shapes. Means suppose sometimes if you are making one flow chart, or if you're making one making a diagram, or if you want to insert some formulas or calculations, so different images are there. If you want to draw a bracket, line, these are the different shapes are there. So that shapes if you want to insert in a document, so what to do? Click shapes on the insert tab and select the shape you want from the shape gallery. All the means shapes are there. A cross appears on the page. Drag the cross to draw the shape to the size you want. Then double click the shape. The format tab is enabled. You can select a style of the shape from the shape style gallery. Use the shape fill to fill the shape with color, shape outline to give the shape an outline, and shape effects to give its different looks. So to write inside the shape, click it and then type it. If you want to write, then under that you have to click first and then write. To resize the shape means here also, if you want to increase or decrease the size of your shape, you can do it. To rotate the shape, click the shape and click the rotate button in the arrange group format is there. Or if you want to click on the shape, it will shows at the corner. If you want to rotate it, it will rotate with the help of your mouse also. Okay, now to make a drawing on your page. So this to make a drawing on your page, this we'll discuss in the next class. Up to here, go through the chapter, and if you are having any doubt, then ask. Okay, thank you.